To view this video, it is recommended to maximize your browser to full screen or adjust the screen resolution. If you can view the player control at the bottom of the screen, then you are able to proceed with full control and minimal effort. If these options do not make the player control visible, use the vertical scroll bar at the far right of the screen to scroll up and down to view the full screen and access the player control. Use the buttons on this player control to play, pause, rewind, or skip forward. Click Continue to proceed. The audio will continue and text from the audio will display on the screen. Creating and approving a GT&C in IPP. This process creates an agreement between the parties for the acquisition of goods and/or services. IPP requires both parties to approve the document called General Terms and Conditions, or GT&C, before moving to the next step, which is creating orders. There is a separate tutorial for creating and approving orders. In IPP, the buyer is called the requesting agency, and the seller is called the servicing agency. Either party may initiate the GT&C. For today's demonstration, we will start with the buyer. IPP assumes that the individuals working on the GT&C are actually talking with each other and using our system to record what they have agreed to in the creation of the GT&C document. Sign on to the IntraGov Disperser module of IPP. Check the URL in the address bar at the top of your browser to make sure that you are pointed to the correct address for IPP. Select the IntraGov Disperser module from the 4 presented choices. Enter your user ID and password and click Submit. The Welcome page appears. Select the Requesting Agency tab. The IAA GT&C Summary page appears. Click Create GT&C. The new Interagency Agreement General Terms and Conditions page appears. The initiating party can enter information for both the requesting agency and the servicing agency. For DoD, the requesting agency's ALC will always end with 1. For DoD, the servicing agency's ALC will always end with 2. Some items are marked by an asterisk indicating that the field is required. If those fields are not completed, IPP will display an error message. Additional filtering options for your agency may be found in these fields at the lower portion of the page: Business Unit, Cost Center, or Department ID. In this example, the Marine Corps is trading with itself. Of course, other trading partners are possible. IPP drop-down menus will offer you selections of your pre-approved trading partners. If your desired trading partner is not found in the list, your disperser administrator can add them. When you are ready, click the Next button. IPP displays the Create New GT&C page. IPP generates a unique GT&C number. The digit after the decimal point indicates the modification number, also called the mod number. The gray fields are to be completed by your trading partner later in the process. In our example, that would be the servicing or seller agency. Complete any desired white fields shown here with red arrows and click Save as Draft from either the top or bottom of the page. Remember that fields marked with an asterisk must be filled out. A notification email is sent to your trading partner alerting them that an IPP task requires attention. The trading partner signs on to IPP. In our example, the seller, known as the servicer, is the next trading partner to sign on to the Intragov Disperser module of IPP using their assigned user ID and password. Select the Servicing Agency tab and the GT&C sub-tab to view the GT&C summary page. Data from other transactions may be visible, so be certain to work off of the correct GT&C document. Data may be sorted using the links on the blue bar as you would in an Excel spreadsheet. The % sign can be used as a wildcard to help you search. You can also use the drop-down menu to narrow or widen your search term. Select the link for the GT&C you want to work on. The requesting or buyer agency fields that had been white are now gray, allowing access only to the servicing or seller agency's fields for input. Complete any desired white fields and click Submit at either the top or bottom of the page. The status will change from draft to pending approval. Remember that all fields marked with an asterisk must be filled out. A notification email is sent to your trading partner alerting them that an IPP task requires attention. So far, you have created the GT&C with the participation of both trading partners, but remember, the goal is for both partners to create and approve the GT&C, so now it's time for both to approve it. Each party reviews all data in the document and scrolls to the bottom to approve the GT&C. The buyer approves on the left side, and the seller approves on the right. Checking the box at the top will fill in some of the data for you. Enter your title to signify that you have reviewed everything. Click Approve. The status changes to Open for Orders. The next step, creating and approving orders, is the subject of a separate tutorial. If you have additional questions or require assistance, please contact IPP Customer Support at 866-973-3131 or at the email address ippcustomersupport@fms.tres.gov. That's all one word, IPP Customer Support. The @ fms.treas.gov. Visit ipp.gov for more information. This is the end of the tutorial. You may now close your browser.